Hi-ho everybody, Root Beer here with question number 12 on the 2003 Grade 7 Gauss contest. The contest put out by the Center for Education in Mathematics Computing at the University of Waterloo. So question 12 here says, the perimeter of a rectangular field is 3 times its length. So rectangles have length and they have width. Now there's width in the question. We're also told that the perimeter is 240 meters. Now we're asked, what's the width of the field? So let's draw ourselves a bit of a picture. We know it's a rectangular field. Oh, we're still red from the previous question. So we have a nice rectangular field. And we have our width, which we'll call W. We don't know what it is, and that's what we want to find out. And we have the length L. Now, perimeter has a nice form. Perimeter is, well, it's the sum of all the side lengths. So a length plus a width plus another length up here plus another width up here. So you could say L plus W plus L plus W, but a faster way to say it would be 2 times L plus W. Everything's being added. We have 2 L's and 2 W's. Okay. Now we're told a couple things. We're told the perimeter is 240. 240 meters. We're also told that the perimeter is 3 times the length. Well, what's the length? It's L. Okay. So we can use this to work out what L is. We can combine these two. Say 240 meters is 3 times the length. And if we divide 3 by both sides, whatever you do to one side, you got to do to the other. You get 80 meters is the length. So the length is 80 meters. That's great. So now we can take that and we can plug it into this first equation. So we know 240 meters is the perimeter. And now we know that that's 2 times 80 meters plus W, or however many meters W is. So we can start trying to find W. What I do is I read this aloud. I say on the right-hand side, what have I got? 2 times 80 meters plus W. So I take the W, I stay the W first. What do I do to W? And then what do I keep doing and what do I keep doing? So W plus 80 meters, and then we take all that and multiply it by 2. So if I want to start getting at W, if I want to find the reverse operation so that I can work my way down and just get W equals on one side. Whatever the last operation I said aloud is the one I undo first. So we've got W plus 80 all times 2. So that times 2 is the first thing that's got to go. How do we get rid of times? We divide. So we're going to divide both sides by 2. So those 2's are going to cancel out, and actually we can divide 240 by 2, and we get 120 meters. So I know I've done the right thing if, as I'm reading the right-hand side out now, W plus 80, I would want to say W plus 80 times 2, but I've correctly canceled out the 2, so that's how I know I'm on the right track. I said basically the same thing, except for that last step. So now, do I have equals W on this side? No. So I've got more to do. On the right-hand side, I read it aloud, W plus 80. And that's it. So the last thing I did was plus 80. So I've got to undo that. How do I undo that? I subtract by 80. But whatever I do to one side, I have to do to the other. 120 minus 80, we can grab our calculators. That's going to be 40 meters. 80 minus 80, it's designed to cancel out. So we should just get W over here. And now we have W equals. W equals 40 meters. Okay, was 40 one of our possible answers? Yeah, there it is. It's B. So B is going to be our answer. We're feeling good, feeling confident. We move right on in to question number 13. So I'll see you guys there in the next video.